So, hi all, myself Vinay Kumar. So, I'm studying in Sri Saurabh College of Engineering, Bangalore, and I'm studying in CSC branch, third year student. Now, I'm going to explain on the topic copyrights. So, first of all, we can say about what is copyrights. Copyrights is nothing but it is to encourage creativity and innovation by giving creators control over their work and ability to benefit financially from it. Like copyright means we should not copy anyone else content to our thing or our stuff. Okay, we have to write by our own, or we have to create any something like in our own. It should be in our name and our authors. We should not copy any other authors and put it in ours. Okay, it will be like copyrights, it will come under copyrights. Okay, key aspects of copyrights is originality, fixation, duration, then something else, etc. If we come for originality, the work must be original and it should not be copied from someone else. As I said, we should not copy someone else content for our beneficence. Then if we come for fluctuation, the work must be fixed in writable area, from for example written down, recorded, or filmed, etc. Durations like copyright protection typically lasts for a certain number of years. Example, the life of the author should be 70 plus. Okay. uh, then if you come for expectations, there are expectations to copyright such as fair or public domain works. We can create a content and it should be our own with our own risks. Then respecting the copyrights comes under copyright is nothing but it's essential for promoting creativity, innovations, and fair competition. This is all about copyrights introduction. Okay, next we come to next slide. We can go to next slide. So non-copyright work. What is non-copyright works? The idea, concepts, and principles uh, themselves cannot be protected under copyrights. If we come to some ideas or principles, they will be not themselves protected under copyrights. Only if they are from which they can be expressed can be copyrighted. Only the form in which they are expressed can be copyrighted. Then facts such as scientific or historical discoveries are not copyright protected. Such as scientific or historical discoveries does not come under copyright protected. Any fact such as person discovers or courses of research cannot be copyright protected. For example, an author of a book takes 10 to 15 years to gather all the necessary materials for him, and takes 10 to 15 years to store some informations or something else for his work. And the great experience or expenses that the author should is they have to travel, they have to visit some more places, or some more museums, libraries, then some existing sites or somewhere outside where they get all the contents to create some book or to write a book. And however, after that book is published, anyone should be free to read or underlining some facts which is not correct in that publication, so the author can correct it. Or anyone is free to read it and underline the facts about it, and provide the express the information of their own. So then some readers will be having some expectations, like if we write something, they will read that and they will be thinking that this line can be written better than this line. So someone some things will be better for them. Then copyright does not protect titles, names, slogans, and short phrases, short words, combination of more and such things. Okay, then certificates are not considered as copyright subjects matters, or there are not such much people to scope for that. Okay, certificates will be not considered as copyrights if they're same also. Then if you go for next slide, then digitally created works and copyright works are transformed into a digital format and placed and internet of copyright protection. So the work done digitally will not work under copyrights, and it is transformed into digital format. which is placed on the internet and or copyright protection. If we copy someone's video same as they do, it will come under copyrights, as you all know. Okay, then copyright registration for a website as a whole is not possible. Like the website is will be already created. Okay, we are going to copy his or someone's website. We are going to copy that website. Okay, then it will be not good, or the website will be not created. If it is also created, it will be cancelled, such as it will come under copyrights, or you have copied someone else's content, which is so like that. However, the different components and websites can be granted copyright registration. As I said, we cannot copy anyone's or any other copyright registrations. Like if I do some website web development, you can't copy that. Okay, if you can copy that, it will come under copyrights, which is if I already created it, and you cannot use the same, or you cannot use my same code and do it again. If someone swipes your picture, song, video from the internet and uses it for their purpose, like some movie songs, okay, for example, some movie songs, I am using it for my video. Okay, it's for my purpose, and it's for my video views, and it will be for my purpose, and it will be for my video views. Okay, it will be for my purpose, but it is their own creativity and their own songs and their own videos. I am what I am copying it. Okay, it comes under copyrights. This is only copyrights. Okay, then it is a copyright. It will come under copyright. So by the way, the same is true in your nickname also. Materials your purposes. So, okay. By the way, the same is true if your nick some else materials for your purposes. Same as there as I said first itself, we cannot copy others content. Okay, if you copy other contents and materials of others, it will come it will also come under copyrights. Okay, next slide we can go for next slide. Copyright. What is copyright registration? Okay, it is not necessary to register a work to claim copyright. It is not necessary to register whether we have got a copyright or something else. It is not necessary to register. If you have created if you have created any copyright via any medium, the work receives automatically copyright safety. Okay, we should not get registered for that. Okay, if you copy something else, the system will tell us you have copied and it is come under copyrights. For example, in YouTube itself, we can take some more similar videos will be there. Okay, who have created the first thing, and if someone with knowingly or without knowingly created by using that music or some other things in their videos, it will come under copyrights. Okay, in other words, there are no formal requests to be submitted to the office of the copyright. uh, we cannot submit any documents, or it is not necessary to submit any documents that we have claimed a copyright. Okay, copyright registration does not confer any rights. There is no any right for copyrights. It is a proof of an entry in respect of the copyright registration maintained by the register or copyrights. There will be someone maintaining the registers of the copyrights. The certificate of registration serves as a prima facie evidence in court in case and deputies relating to ownership or creation of copyright financially matters, or transforms of rights, etc. Okay, it is available that the author of the work register for copyright for better legal protection. In India, copyright matters including copyright registration or administration under the Copyright Act 1957 and the Copyright Rule 2013. Okay, then if you go for next slide, yeah, here comes the main domain or main thing where how the copyright is done. Okay, first first step is we have to fill the application. Okay, we have to fill the application by the application fees. Okay, we have to take the application first, then fill it, then including the fee also. Then the application will be taken and done, and the issue of diary number will be done. After the application filled, the issue of diary number will be done. Okay, after the issue of diary number, after 30 days, okay, we have to wait for 30 days compulsory. After 30 days only, we will get the objection filed. Okay. After waiting period of 30 days, we will get the objection filed. After objection filed, if yes or no, there are two options. Okay, first we can come for S. If we go for S, the after objection filed, if we accept it, then it will come to they will send a letter to the applicant. We are the applicant. Like, we filled the application, we have put an application, then we are an applicant. Okay, the letter will be sent to an applicant. The letter will come to us that the objection is filed. Okay, then if we reply it, the applicant will reply. If applicant will reply, hearing will be done by the register. The register will do the hearing. And after register hearing, the decision of registers will be done. If the decision of the register is satisfied, we'll go to acceptance. Okay, we will accept the application. So application accepted. Then if it is not, if we get satisfied, we will go to application accepted. If you are not satisfied, the application will be rejected. Okay, after application rejected, they will again send a rejection letter to us. Like how they send the application letter, or something like hearing by the register letter to us, they will again send the application rejected letter to the applicant, who is the owner of the application, who have put the application. He is the owner of the application. So sending of rejection letter will be sent to the applicant. This is the process of yes obtain. Okay, yes domain. Okay, then if we come for no domain, wait a minute. Mm, okay, if we come for not domain or no domain, uh, then application accepted from this. Okay, if we come for no domain, synchronization of the examiner will be done. Okay, synchronize of the examination will be the securization or by the examiner will be done. Then after this, it comes for disputancy. If the discrepancy is yes, discrepancy letter is issued by the applicant. Okay, that is cancellation. After that, the reply from the applicant will be done. Who is the application owner will give the reply for it, or they will send send their own thing to them. What is the necessary, or why they're canceling it, something else like that. Okay, then after reading this applicant reply, the register will take a decision of register will be done. After that, then again, if they say no, see here, again if they say no, the letter will be sent again to the discrepancy. If they accept yes, the register cell will approve it. Okay, the register will approve it. Then if they say yes after the registration approved, sending extracts from register to the applicant. The register will send the extracts or some other documents to him for registration to the applicant. If they say no, the application will be rejected again. Okay, the application will be rejected again if they say no again. Okay, after the registration is approved, if they say no, the application will be rejected, and the application rejected letter will be sent to the applicant again. This is the process of this copyright. This is a whole process, and this how it goes on. Okay, if we go for can we go for next slide? Judicial powers of the register of for copyrights. The Register of Copyrights has the power of civil court when they are trying in a suit under the Code of Civil Procedure. In civil court, the copyrights power, the civil court will be having the register will be having the copyrights and has more power of a civil court. When he is trying to suit under the copyright code of a civil procedure, of respect to the following matters. Okay, summon, if we want to fill the summon, or summon is nothing but sending an auto tell alter to that applicant. Like you have a case on like this, you have to come and come here and objection here, for to this time to this date, and attendance is mandatory, like that, summon and enforcing the attendance of any person and examining him on oath. Like same as I said, they will send a letter, like summon letter. In that all will be mentioned what is the case on you, why they have put in case, and when should you come, when should you come here and attend the court. Okay, next is requiring the discovery and production of a document. The document should be always correct and it should not be copied, and the document should be always original. Then receiving evidence of affidavit, they will receive evidence like why you are putting case on him. They will also receive an affidavit on him. Then issuing commission for examination of witness or document. Then requesting any public record or copy thereof from any court office. Like they want some other also to tell the uh, what to tell, uh, some public to tell the uh, support him, or support the applicant who have filed the case, like what had happened, this is real, I have seen with my own eyes. Then they will be requesting public to record some more witness, or some they want some more witness to file this document, means this will be done. Any other matters which may be prescribed. Then usually it takes 2 to 3 months to get work registered by the copyright officer or copyright office. After applying, we have to wait for the period of 30 days. Okay, it will get 2 to 3 months to get registered. After applying and registering, we have to wait for 30 days. This is a whole, and this is a very big process going on here. Okay, if any person has any objection to claim made his application, he can contact the office or he can contact the register. If the person has any some other issues, or you want to change anything, or you want to make the application clear, more clear, or you want to change any number, like a number, address, or something else like that, etc., you can call the register, or you can call the office. Then after giving an opportunity of hearing to both the parties, they will give hearing for both the parties, the opposite team and who have given the case, who have filed the case, on whom the both will be given the opportunities. Then the register may decide the case in favor of him itself, who have done the mistake. The case will turn above or against him. Okay, he will not be supported anyways, because he has done some mistake. Once the objection is done, if any are cleared, the application is awarded by the examiners. um, then if we come over for next slide, uh, particulars fees. Okay, if we come for the fees section, for what is the fees for any other applicant or domain, like that. Okay, if we come for an application for registration or copyright literacy or dramatic, musical, or artistic work, it will take, the fees will be charged as 500 rupees. Okay, for an application of for registration of copyright in a cinematography film will charge 5000 rupees. For an application for register of copyright in a sound recording will come to 2000. uh, then almost all like this, making changes in literacy, democracy, dramatic, musical, or same like this. Okay, these are the what to tell, these are the charged amounts, fees for this particulars. Then if you go for next slide, copyright symbol. So it is not necessary to place the copyright symbol with your name and year credited near your published or printed materials. But if you do it, it's easier to nail someone for information on your copyright if you go to court. So the important things which may be mentioned as the copyright mark on copyright creation are the copyright symbol, C. Okay, the letter C in a circle is a copyright symbol or the word. Okay, in the case of complaints, the words incorporation previously published materials with the date of the first publicant who is producing, or sorry, who is publishing it. The date is very important. Of that derivative work should be mentioned. The year date may be omitted for periodical graphic works, greeting cards, postcards, stationery, jewelry, dolls or toys. The date are very important for that such for these such things. The name or the abbreviation by which the name can be recognized of the owner of the copyright, or alternative designation of the owner can be also mentioned. The elements for the sound recording generally require the same three elements except the symbols. Like symbol is C and it is inside the circle, okay, or it can be done as the word instead. Then if you come for next slide, so this is all about what I said about copyrights. Then nothing else to say about copyrights. In a simple words, we should not copy anyone's content to our benefits, or to our book. Okay, if I am an author, I want to write something new. Okay, we have to go visit some, as I said, we have to go visit some more places, some new places, some new peoples, some new nature, some new places to get contents. We have to do the work like this, but we should not go to other books, search some other contents for our beneficiary things, and copying from their book to ours will be coming under copyrights, and it is uh, it is a big mistake we will do in our life. Okay, we should never copy someone's information and take good name. In behalf of that we have to do our own we have to put our own efforts and make that successful, and we should get appreciated by that. We should not copy someone's information and get caught under copyrights, and our name will be spoiled under that. So my suggestion is, do whatever success you want to do, but you should not copy from others. It should be your own. Okay, the own thing, the own you do will pay off for you anywhere, everywhere, or anytime. Okay, the so do whatever you want to do it by your own. Do not copy someone else difficulties, because they will be doing it very difficultly, or they will be roaming here and there for contents. But easily, if you copy that and put it in your thing or in your stuff, how they will think, and how the readers will think, like he has copied his information, what is there new in that. See, like this, the people will be speaking. So as I said, do whatever you want, whatever thing you want, whatever things you want to get succeeded, but do it on your own. Do not copy anything or someone else information. That's all about today. So thank you all.